Is it the right time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we're going to dive deep into NIO. We initially published a report on our website on Tuesday, November 14, 2023, and now we're bringing you an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and enable notifications to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 8, 2023, our system has identified NIO as a sell candidate, with a score of -1.03. Now, let's analyze how the stock has performed during this period. The stock has experienced a loss of -4.29%. This means that, on average, the stock has declined by -0.86% per day since it was labeled as a sell candidate. The stock is currently in an upper part of a wide and falling trend in the short term. For short-term traders, this presents a potential selling opportunity as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. Keep an eye out for a breakup at the top trend line at $7.76, as it may indicate a slower falling rate and potentially a trend shift. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a projected potential change of -35.42% over the next 3 months. The possible return range is estimated to be between -42.23% and -33.85%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected -11.40% change over the next 12 months. The potential return range after a year is estimated to be between -23.88% and 74.25%. This translates to a price range of $5.77 to $13.21. In our latest update on NIO, we have some interesting news. The headline reads, NIO stock has been upgraded from a strong sell candidate to a sell candidate after Tuesday's trading session. On the last trading day, which was Tuesday, November 14, 2023, the NIO stock price showed a gain of 4.99%. It went from $7.22 to $7.58. Throughout the day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 4.16%, starting at a low of $7.33 and reaching a high of $7.64. Over the past couple of weeks, the price has been moving up and down, resulting in a gain of 3.84%. Additionally, the volume of shares traded increased along with the price, which is a positive technical sign. A total of 9 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 43 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $325.47 million. Looking at the performance of the stock over the past 52 weeks, the highest price it reached was $16.18, while the lowest price was $7. Currently, the stock is trading at a price 53.15% below its 52-week high, which is $8.60 lower. In comparison to its all-time high of $66.99 on January 11, 2021, the stock is trading at a price 88.68% lower, which amounts to a difference of $59.41. Unfortunately, we couldn't find any analyst ratings for this stock. However, seeking a third-party opinion can be quite valuable. I recommend searching the internet for more information on this topic. Picture this: you're in the middle of a crowded street, surrounded by people talking, cars honking, and music playing. It's overwhelming, and you're struggling to focus on anything. But suddenly, you hear a familiar voice calling your name. It cuts through the chaos and instantly grabs your attention. How is this possible? Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of selective attention. This is the ability of our brain to filter out irrelevant information and focus on what's important. It's like having a mental spotlight that directs our attention to specific stimuli while ignoring the rest. So, how does selective attention work? Well, our brain receives an enormous amount of sensory information every second. To prevent overload, it uses various mechanisms to prioritize and filter this information. One of these mechanisms is called the cocktail party effect. The cocktail party effect refers to our brain's ability to focus on a specific conversation or sound amidst a noisy background. Imagine being at a party, surrounded by people talking, and suddenly you hear someone mentioning your favorite movie. Your brain automatically tunes into that conversation, as if it has a built-in filter for relevant information. Another fascinating aspect of selective attention is inattentional blindness. Have you ever been so focused on something that you completely miss something else happening right in front of you? That's inattentional blindness. Our brain is so focused on a specific task or object that it fails to notice other stimuli, even if they're obvious. Selective attention also plays a crucial role in our daily lives. It helps us stay focused on tasks, ignore distractions, and prioritize information. Without it, we would be easily overwhelmed by sensory input and struggle to concentrate. In conclusion, selective attention is a remarkable cognitive ability that allows us to focus on what's important while filtering out distractions. It helps us navigate our environment, engage in conversations, and maintain our concentration. So next time you find yourself in a noisy crowd, remember the power of selective attention and how it enables you to cut through the noise and focus on what truly matters. Today, we'll be discussing the signals that have been identified for NIO. The stock market has mixed signals for NIO today. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate sell signals, leading to a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals shows a general sell signal, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. If the stock corrects itself and goes up, it will face resistance at the $7.61 and $8.09 levels. However, if it breaks above these levels, it will issue buy signals. On Monday, November 13, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a 4.99% rise so far. This indicates a potential further rise until a new top pivot is found. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also signals a buy. The volume of NIO's stock is increasing along with the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. Today, let's explore some interesting signals worth considering in your trading strategy. Moving average convergence divergence. This indicator recently showed a buy signal, indicating a potential opportunity. Pivots. 2 days ago, a buy signal was generated by this indicator, suggesting a favorable market condition. Bollinger Bands. 17 days ago, a buy signal was identified by this indicator, highlighting a possible upward trend. Short-term moving average. 5 days ago, this indicator gave a sell signal, implying a potential downward movement. Long-term moving average. Unfortunately, there is no recent sell signal for this indicator. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. A buy signal was identified 63 days ago, indicating a positive market sentiment. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart to gain further insights. Short moving average. 9 days ago, this indicator generated a buy signal, suggesting a favorable market condition. Long-term moving average. 42 days ago, this indicator gave a sell signal, indicating a potential downward trend. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. 38 days ago, a buy signal was identified, hinting at a positive market outlook. If you want to explore more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. NIO, a popular stock, has a significant support level at $7.47. This level presents a potential buying opportunity as it often leads to an upward reaction in the stock price. So, it's worth keeping an eye on when the support is being tested. When it comes to risk, NIO has average movements during the day, which means it doesn't experience extreme price swings. With good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Looking at recent data, in the last day, the stock moved $0.305 between its highest and lowest points, representing a 4.16% change. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 5.23%. Before we delve into the potential trading levels for NIO, let's first cover some essential fundamental data. Firstly, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. If a company has a negative PE ratio, it means that it has negative earnings or is currently losing money. It's not uncommon for established companies to experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative P/E ratios may indicate insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on to some news, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on February 28, 2024. Let's now analyze the potential day trading levels for NIO. In the case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is at $8.55. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be a good idea to wait for this level to be surpassed before considering entering a position. For those who are already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, NIO encounters its first support level at $7.47. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, potentially signaling a rebound. Unfortunately, we have a negative evaluation for this stock, and it's important to note that no stop loss has been set. Is NIO stock a good buy? Unfortunately, we have several negative signals regarding NIO stock, leading us to believe that it will continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, our evaluation of this stock remains negative. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion from a strong sell to a sell candidate since our last evaluation. Upon analyzing the volatility and recent movements, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, November 15th, we anticipate NIO to open down $0.0650 and begin trading at $7.52. Before we dive into the exciting world of trading, it's important to remember that there is a high risk of losing money. To make informed decisions, it's recommended to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We appreciate your thoughts on the current view of the stock. Share your agreement or disagreement in the comments section below. We're also curious about your target for the stock. Remember to show your support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. At StockInvest, we're here to help you with successful trading. Wishing you a beautiful day.